coming down. Here's a bit. I know. Bad. I wish we could sleep here. The Catherine Wheels going here now.
We probably won't get much sleep.
But they must be still lights. It shakes the ground. Fireworks versus lightning. Imagine that. Fireworks win. Did a bit just go in your eye? Lightning doesn't strike in the same. That's the Catherine Wheel.
The Catherine Wheels are so cool. Hey, must have to use to put your hand over your ear when it's Catherine Wheels.
No, they're never loud.
They're going to spin quick though.
Are they?
Yeah, because like, you know when you have a tennis racket, you go like that, you hit down.
Yeah.
It's like that, except when they go really quick, they make loads of sound. That's what sound is. Once I watch one like that, and then they let the Catherine Wheels go off. So it's spinning, and then they shoot them up in the air.
Oh, that looks so cool. Hmm?
I like the Catherine Wheel like this.
Oh.
How did you get there?
Whoa.
Did you say you just like
Catherine Wheels, stop! He's clever, that's it.
Yeah. Hamish. Don't we have to make them a lot more fun? Yeah, I need to put them short.
Whoa, that's fast.
Yeah, you can put them What was the score? 26. They did, nice 26. Get exploded!
What do you mean 26?
Score.
Oh, yeah. So far, yeah.
Wow.
The giant one. Look at it, it looks like it's snow.
What happened in my hair? Yes, I did. It was a fire pit. What happened in my hair? Stop falling again.
Wow. Is that the one which explodes?
There's a Catherine Wheel thing with the 5.
I think so. I think it's gone off.
The Catherine Wheel's the thing with the 5
points.
Yeah.
Last time I seem to remember them Catherine Wheel that rolled up.
Is that your iPod?
No, it's just a 5.
Is it your phone?
Which lucky fan done it? One of the big yeah.
So that's what happened in 007. After the Catherine Wheel rolls about the
I love those little golden ones that just spiral up. It looks a bit like a tree, doesn't it? I know. It looks a bit like a tree. There's a stalk and that's all of the leaves, doesn't it?